What's going on, guys? It's the dude from Dudes, and today we're making wings for lazy people. And you know what that means? We're using the lazy people machine. So get your lazy people machine set to 350. We're gonna start these lazy wings off by brining our frozen wings. Yep, I said frozen wings. So in our brine, we have a 1/4 cup of salt, 3 or 4 small bay leaves, 2 crushed heads of garlic, some dudes flipping the bird, and then we're just gonna fill this mason jar up with water. Put a lid on it, should look a little bit like a Bloody Mary. Shake it up, and then pour it directly over our frozen wings. Now we're gonna seal this up, throw it in the fridge overnight. Now, for some odd reason, if you didn't want to use the dudes flipping the bird brine method, you can do what I did and just use a 1-to-1 ratio of pickle juice to water. Yeah, I said pickle juice. Now I know that I can't be the only one that prefers a grilled type wing over a fried wing. So, I mean, yeah, I don't like breaded chicken wings. Come after me in the comments, all right? I don't care. Really important step right here is to get our wings dried. These things have been brining overnight in this pickle juice. See? Pickle juice. You can let them go for 2-3 days if you want. Just remember, the longer they're in the pickle juice, the more pickly they're gonna taste. So let's say you wanted to have wings on Sunday, that means you'd have to do this Saturday morning. Now let's get this out of here, because we don't need it anymore. Working with chicken, always changing the gloves. Like I said before, you wanna get these things dried as possible. Because we are using the air fryer, I do like to get a little bit of oil on these, like a very little bit, watch. That's it. To finish this, we're gonna use our dudes hot chicken. Now just remember, the more hot effing chicken you use, the hotter they're gonna get. Told you these were easy for lazy people, right? Just throw them in. Now you're pretty much done, guys. 25 minutes, you got wings. I mean, you guys already knew what I was gonna do while I was waiting for these wings, right? Captain Lawrence again. Effortless Grapefruit IPA, big fan. So I'm not gonna lie, when I first got this air fryer, I was like, I'm never gonna use it, ever. I use it every day. This is like fake cooking to me, but it's a great product, and I hate the fact that I'm saying that out loud. So let's talk sauces now. Hot wings. Not much of a blue cheese guy. I go ranch all the time. Ranch is the superior wing sauce. Again, come after me in the comments. I don't care. Ranch just goes better with wings. That's it. It just goes better with wings. Yes, I don't put this on salads, I put this on wings. And I eat a lot of wings for me to have this. And this is a Price Club version. I got another one of these somewhere. Your dude likes wings. Especially hot chicken wings. I wonder how many of those I could drink in 20 minutes. Clearwater Kolsch, German style, 4.8%. Ah, that's child's play. Bunch of rookies. Excuse me. What is that? What is that on the camera? Oh, that's just a black wall. Oh. When in Rome. India Pale Ale. Yeah, Hop Commander is where it's at. Jesus, I still have 18 minutes left. I'm not playing this game anymore. Nope. But while I am here, I will talk about these fine products that I have. Both Flipping the Bird and Hot Chicken. Both of these are now available in Public Lands. Public Lands, if you don't know what that is, it's a really cool outdoorsy store owned by Dick's Sporting Goods. So if there's a Dick's Sporting Goods around, there's probably a Public Land somewhere around there too. Big shout out to Chubb's Meats, by the way. Chubb's, you're the man. Thank you. I'm having this for dinner tonight. It's gonna be fantastic. Look at this, size of my face. How many minutes we got left? I mean, at this point, yeah, why not? I don't know if I mentioned this, but we are now at Public Lands. Do you guys know what Public Lands is? You guys know where now? I don't know if I mentioned that. You guys ever seen that show Drunk History? Oh, I think it's on Hulu now. We should do drunk cooking. It's probably a recipe for disaster, you know? Sharp objects, hot objects. Somebody's getting stabbed, somebody's getting burned. But definitely great TV. We should definitely do that. You guys notice I took down all the seasonings over here? It's because it's like, there's like more room for activities now. You know, there's just more room for stuff like I got my rice cooker, which I just couldn't see. I never used it. And then I have grandma's fryer machine over here, which I fry chicken cutlets. And now I have salad spinner, which I've been spinning salads. I've been eating kale Caesar salads like it's my job. And I got this pestle and mortar that just came in from Amazon. It's amazing. You put some of Grandma Lucy's in that stuff and you just, and then you throw it onto the panko crust and then you fry your bread and then you just make chicken parmesan. It's delicious. For those of you who've been watching me for a long time, Jack Herring, yeah, Jack should probably come back. I feel like Jack Herring should come back. Definitely. Jack Herring needs to come back. What are we making over here? We're making wings? We're making hot chicken wings? Is that what's happening? So Jack told me that the timer went off, so that must mean they're done. Let's see what they look like. Oh, yes. So what I like to do is give them a quick little shaking and then leave them back in there for like another 3-4 minutes, you know? By that time, you can get everything ready that you need. So I'm gonna grab a plate. I already got my sauce. I definitely had way too many beers already today, but other than that, we're ready to go, I think. I'm just gonna randomly scroll through TikTok and Instagram until this thing dings. Those beers are hitting me. Oh, I love this girl. Huge fan of this girl, Dani Jackal. She just pranks people. Love her. Love to feed her my wings. She's kind of cute. Oh, here's a random phone call. Let's answer it together. Dudes Gourmet, Tom speaking. Hi.
My name is Sarah Lawson, and I'm calling from the Debt Elimination Department. Due to the pandemic and financial crisis, you are eligible for the Debt Elimination.
Sorry, I'm making a YouTube video.
Under the fair.
No personal space anymore, guys. All right, we heard the ding ding, right? Okay, come on. Woo! These things look fantastic. Where are my tongs at? Like I said before, grilled wings, way better than fried wings. I don't even know what to call these things. These are like air fried wings, but these are delicious. Perfect game day wings. And make sure you pair it with some ranch, because it's the superior dipping sauce. I don't need these anymore. What am I doing with these? I don't need them. I don't need them anymore. Goodbye, lazy people machine. All right, let's try these lazy people hot chicken wings. Hold on. Actually, I have a good idea for a thumbnail first. Let me just do that first. Look. Guys, so these wings are fantastic. It's the right amount of heat, right amount of salt from that pickle juice, and the ranch just makes it amazing. Perfect for a bunch of beers. So much better than a fried crispy wing. Grilled wings or air fried hot chicken wings are better than deep fried wings any day of the week. These are fantastic. Head over to dudesgourmet.com to watch me do more shit like this. One bite. One wing, one bite.